So today we'll be showing you how to buy from an exchange. We're using Bybit P2P trading to buy. Then later on we'll show you how to trade meme coins. So the first thing you need to do is from your dashboard, click on P2P trading. You see these options down here. The caution, you have to take note of the caution. Then the next is to filter the amount you want to buy. So you change the currency you want. You go to the currency, you select the currency. You filter the amount also. So from the amount, you put a particular amount. Okay, so look at it. How much do you want to buy? What is the expected one? You click on it, it's shortlisted the available amount for you. So here I will use 20,000 as an example. So it has filtered all the available sellers. Okay, so you check the exchange rate and pick the most comfortable one for you. You check the number of trade the person has done and the percentage of completion. So you select one, then you go ahead to make the payment. So as soon as you're done making the payment, you click that you've completed the transaction. As you can see, it's done and the person has released the amount already. So you go further to transferring this amount. I bought it in USDT, so we have to transfer it to the exchange you want to use to buy the meme coins. Okay, so you go to your exchange. The exchange I'm using for this is Phantom Wallet. So you must have registered your Phantom Wallet or download the app, do the necessary registration and login. Okay, so for you to trade here, you're using either Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, and all that. But here, I want the money to be in Solana. So I'll first of all go back to my exchange, convert the money to the USDT to Solana. Okay, so I can transfer it from my Bybit to Phantom. First of all, go to convert. As you can see, the USDT. So you select the amount of USDT you want. Here I want maximum. All the USDT, the $20, the 20,000 naira equivalent. Okay, so you search for the one you want to change it to, which is Solana. Select Sol. Okay, so you now make the conversion. As soon as you're done converting, you will go back to your exchange. Okay, so let's select maximum, and this is the equivalent Solana that it will give. You now do the conversion. As soon as you're done making the conversion, you now transfer it to your Phantom wallet. So let's go to, okay, I want to verify first of all if the conversion is done. You click on the assets. So as soon as you click on the assets, you see the USDT has reduced and then you have Solana there. Okay, so next is for you to go back to your wallet, which is the Phantom wallet I want to use. Okay, so while on Phantom wallet, you on deposit, okay, or the one that received. Then you copy the address of the Solana. Make sure it's on the Solana network. You go back to your exchange. You click withdraw, select the Solana, then you put the withdrawal address, you select the Solana network, and then the amount you want. So here you make sure you select the exact network. So you select the amount of Solana you want to transfer to your Phantom wallet. As soon as you're done, you click withdraw. This will take a minute or less than that to drop on your Phantom wallet. As soon as you click withdraw, it will be transferred to your Phantom wallet. Okay, so you confirm that everything is intact, everything is correct, because any mistake might not be able, you might not be able to retrieve it, you might not be able to get that amount back. So you confirm everything is intact, check the address and make sure that it's the one you copied before you now click on withdraw. Okay. Okay, here, so as I want to withdraw, you can see it's telling me that the amount I have is not enough. It does not meet the minimum requirement for withdrawing. That's the error message you're getting. So I need a higher amount of Solana. I think the one that will cover up to $20. It's $20 equivalent of Solana before we're able to make this transaction. That's their minimum. But nonetheless, it's supposed to, when you have the amount, you're supposed to send the amount to your Solana, amount of Solana to your Phantom wallet. As soon as the Solana reflects there, okay, you now go back to your Dexscreener. That time you must have researched the exact the meme coin you want to buy. Do the technical analysis, check the validity of the meme coins because there are so many fraudulent ones. So what you now need to do after the checks is now to copy the meme coin address. You come back to your Phantom wallet. Under the search button, you click on the search, you paste the address there, search, and then you see the one we are using for this is Dodge IRX. It reflects it, so you see it. Okay. So what you now need to do for you to buy this at this particular rate is you click on swap. So you're now going to swap the Solana you've already transferred to this Dodge IRS or whichever coin you want to buy. Okay. So you select you put the percentage of the Solana that you want to use to exchange to the Dodge or the amount of Solana you want to use to exchange to the Dodge. As soon as you put that, you click on swap. That will now swap your Solana to that particular meme coin. As then you keep on monitoring the coin. When the coin appreciates, you come back here to do the opposite. You now select the coin on top and then the Solana down. So you are now converting, swapping from that coin back to Solana. So your profit is now in Solana. Okay, so that's how it works. You check your slippage. Okay, you set your slippage to the percentage you want, so that if there's any change in the process, in the price, during the process of the swapping, the slippage will be able to tolerate that. Then you click on swap now. Okay, so that's how you swap and then buy your meme coin. So as soon as you check the coin, you get your address, come back to exchange, swap. This, as you can see, this one is showing me the error message. The error message because I don't have enough Solana. The Solana I wanted to use to do this demo has to be up to $20 equivalent. So that's why I'm getting this error message. If not, I will swap it and then buy this coin. And as soon as I see that it has appreciated enough, I'll quickly come here and sell. That is swapping it back to Solana. Okay, thank you. I hope you do get value from the video. Do check again for more updates.